to our channel. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe down there. And now we shall begin our show.
And ring the bell also to like a subscribe.
For notifications. We shall start the show.
Ding ding.
Fidgets!
Fidgets! I love fidgets!
Our first fidget is up. These mini monkey.
They're not monkey slings.
They're technically
They're
bombs.
caterpillar slings. They're caterpillars. They're stretchy. This is like the stretchiest I can do with. It's like a slingshot. There's a purple one, a blue one, yellow, and a red one that kind of looks like hot margarita. And our next fidget is a homemade marble mash. I made it myself. You could do this with it, like slide it instead of doing it like this. And also it's kind of big, so you could also move it side to side. And the next fidget is a heart poppet, a mini one.
Which is a mini?
It's mini, and this is the easy side, and it makes a sound. And the other side, it's a hard side. Our next fidget is a
Happy hour.
It's called a happy hour.
It is a happy hour.
I don't know, but it's usually called. Well, you have to do this. I don't know how's it called. You're supposed to shoot all the rings into those spikes that have those.
Next up, we have
A simple dimple.
and it has textures on each side, so that's really
This
cool
one's
thing.
the smooth side, and this one's the spiky side. The spiky side is harder to do. And our next one is a scented squishy. It looks like a macaroon, a bunny macaroon. It smells
like fart.
Sorry for that interruption. It actually smells like raspberry, I think, or some kind of other
It is
berry.
raspberry.
Did it?
Mr. Grouchy.
Again, sorry for our
Interruption.
Thanks to our lousy video taker.
Thank you.
And our next fidget is a rock star. I don't really think it's a fidget, but I think it's like those things that you can put stuff into.
A BB toy.
Me. So when you put the lock in, it opens this thing, and its belly inside it has a screwdriver. It's a robot lock star.
Amazing. And what do you think about it? And what do you rate this fidget?
0.
Thank you for your lovely interruption.
Your turn next.
Okay.